Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
If your Roblox screen freezes, first breathe and stay methodical about diagnosis. Start by observing whether other apps are also unresponsive on your device. Look for error messages on screen and note when the freeze began and what you were doing. Check device free memory and CPU load to see whether available memory falls under 500 MB or CPU runs above 80%. Note if the app shows network activity or displays a spinning loader for more than 30 seconds. Force close the Roblox app using your operating system controls, and then wait 10 seconds before relaunching. If the freeze returns or the app fails to relaunch, restart your device and allow it to idle for at least 30 seconds. On mobile, clear the app cache from settings to remove temporary corrupted files that may cause freezes. If clearing cache does not help, uninstall and reinstall Roblox to replace corrupted application data and reset app permissions. To prevent future freezes, always update Roblox and your device operating system when updates appear. Maintain at least 500 MB of free storage so the app can write temporary files safely. Reduce background apps to lower CPU and memory pressure by about 25% during play sessions. For games with progress, enable cloud saves or manual backups before extensive play to avoid lost progress. If freezes persist after these steps, collect logs, note device model, and contact Roblox.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.